We're going to clean the lint from the Whirlpool LER5644JQ0 dryer. What you're going to need to do is purchase a lint removal tool. I got this for under $10 on Amazon. You attach it to any vacuum that you have, a handheld vacuum, portable vacuum, anything with the nozzle. You can connect it either to the attachment, or you can remove the attachment and connect it directly to the body of the vacuum. Pull out the lint tray and then stick the hose deep inside the lint receptacle to get all that excess lint. You can hold the vacuum, just power it on. This is great for fire protection. Here it is, connected directly to the body of the vacuum. I will leave the link in the description below.